One of the stiles on my brother's gate was splitting apart because of the latch impact and the screws, so I decided to make a hardwood dovetail-shaped insert to replace the damaged wood. I started by cutting a large piece of Apitong that I got from a friend. Apitong is a dense, rot-resistant exotic hardwood native to Southeast Asia, which in North America is often used for building trailer decks. I ripped it down to the width of the gate stile, and then I tilted the blade at 7 degrees and cut the ends with a crosscut sled. This will give it a dovetail shape. Here's the culprit. I set my marking gauge to the thickness of the insert and scribed a line on both sides of the stile. I clamped the insert to the stile and used it as a guide block to saw at a 7-degree angle, making sure to check the depth from the other side. I lined up the insert against the cut and traced the other end to mark my next cut. Then I clamped the insert to line up with that and sawed the bottom edge. I sawed a series of kerfs into the waist section, making sure not to go past my line. Then I chiseled out all the waist, working towards my line and coming in from both sides to avoid tear out. I used a square to mark all the high spots, and then pared them down with a chisel. The insert fit well, so I brushed it with Titebond 3 and clamped it in place. Then I fastened it with 4 narrow head deck screws. I put the latch in place and used an awl to mark the screw holes. Then affixed it in place with the screws. The gate is very solid now, and the combination of the dovetail shape, the glue, and the screws should distribute the force more evenly along the stile instead of it all being on one place. Also, the hardwood insert is a much stronger medium for putting the screws in than the softwood of the stile. I hope this was informative, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to dovetail that like button and subscribe. Bye.